Hi, this is Andy. When you're giving your presentation, are you going to be using notes? Maybe you're going to write them on a sheet just like this. So here's a tip for you on how to create effective notes. If you're holding a large sheet of paper like this with your notes written on it, it becomes a big distraction both for you and indeed the audience. As you can imagine, each time you go back to the sheet to look, you have to scan it to find out where you are. So you start at the top, you scan, you start at the top, you scan. Therefore, you're breaking eye contact with the audience for a long period of time. And the second is if you're feeling a bit nervous, they can see and hear the sheet making a noise as you're flapping it around. A far better way, both for you and your audience, when you're using notes, is to get the sheet and make small little notes that can fit in the palm of your hand. When they're like that, you can look, see the point, look back at the audience. Look at the point, look back at the audience. Number them, just in case you accidentally drop them, and then you just swap them over while you're talking. And if you're moving around, your hands are free, you can gesture, and you look so much more natural, so much more relaxed. So the tip is to always use small pieces of paper in the palm of your hand rather than big sheets. You'll look and you're going to feel far more confident.